Welcome to LT Outdoors, the channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer. Yee!
Yes, baby. Yes.
Sun is coming up, bobber's going down. Fish are all a-biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking LT Outdoors. Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting, might even do a little foraging too. I'm talking LT Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the show. Special thank you to all my patrons. If you want to become a patron, go to patreon.com and look up LT Outdoors. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. Today I am actually downstate. I took a drive. I am in Coldwater, Michigan. I've never been down this far. I'm having a blast. I'm down here with Team Lake Effect today, out here with the boys, best fishermen that I know, and we are having a ball. We're all catching fish, catching some darn nice fish. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think.
Okay, we don't have a gas, so if you need me to, I'm not gonna rush him. So
He ran towards you in a slack?
Boy.
Yeah, big weight.
Yeah.
Oh, here's your 40, buddy.
Steady weight.
Get that big one out of here so we can catch some crappies.
They're here.
Oh, I see the line. That is so cool.
Could be a muskie.
Look at that line.
Is he way back here?
Yeah, that's right behind you. The line is right here.
You got the ceiling on. Yep.
I see the color. Yep, there's the bobber.
Holy crap.
That is so cool.
Big shoulders. Big shoulders.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish.
Oh, big pike.
Yeah, he's at least in the 30s there.
30, that might be 36.
Oh my god. Dude, he might be a 40.
Dude, don't let him roll. Let him roll. I don't want to.
Grab him by the eye.
Hold on, I will.
There you go.
Dude. Yeah, that's a good 36.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Darn right, man.
Nice work. Thank you, bud. Dude, that's bigger than that last one.
Yeah, that is an awesome.
That's a
shoulders
thick,
all day fish.
thick. Hold on, let me get the lead right.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
That's good.
Holy crap.
That's probably 13.5.
I would say that's a monster, dude. Very nice, brother. There we go. That's a big one. Nice bluegill. Yeah, the flash doesn't seem to show on there. Ooh, there we go. That's a good one. I got a big one.
Okay, we got right now from what I hear.
Oh, that's a bluegill.
Bo's got a nice gill.
A lot of bluegills down there. I'm gonna start being pickier because I want crappies. Ooh, that hit really hard. This might be my crappie. Nope. Not a bad gill though. This fish has some shoulders.
Anyway.
I'll take whatever people don't want. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh. Yeah, that's a big one. That's probably 9. I'm trying not to keep gills, but that's hard to pass. Oh, he's on. Oh, that's a nice crappie. Very nice.
Yeah.
So you may be wondering why we are just kind of wandering around the ice. Basically, when you find a big school of panfish, they are going to wander. They are going to be wandering the flats, they're going to be wandering the different depths, especially suspended fish. So this is where transducers and flashers seem to shine. You walk around, drop your transducers in the hole. If you do not mark a fish, keep moving until you find them. Once you find the fish, it's game on. Ooh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh. Yay! My first big crappie of the day. Ooh, that's a good fish. I'll take that. When you mark a school of fish, always remember that usually the biggest fish are the ones highest in the water column. If you're marking a school of crappies or a school of bluegills, usually those larger ones are going to be up a little higher. The smaller fish will be down below. So when you're dropping your bait down, make sure you stop it before it gets to the fish that are up high, because chances are those are your big fish. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish.
Is that a crappie?
I don't know, man.
If it is, you got your freaking monster. No way that's a crappie. Is it pike?
I don't know.
Was that in the middle of your group fish?
It was, so that's why I don't think it's...
Dude, if that's a crappie, it's 18, 20. It's not even moving. What is that? That's a pike. It's gotta be a pike.
Usually pike peel line though, man.
Yeah, that's true. It's doing a bass thing.
It's
a little bassy, but dude, if that's a crappie, I'm putting my arm underneath the ice to get that fish out for you.
You guys are scaring me. Oh, now it's peeling.
No way that's a crappie.
It might be a pike.
These guys. Probably why we keep getting them pushed around again all of a sudden. You've got their...
Jeez, yeah. Might be, man. If it is.
Those are big head shakes.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, it's got a shoulder, a big shoulder.
Look at that, dude. It's fighting
because
like,
it's not like, yeah, these are big,
dude,
wide head shakes.
Yeah, that's not
fighting
a
like a walleye.
If it's a pike, it's a big pike, I think. I just can't see it being a crappie. I know it's not moving. It's acting like a walleye, like you said.
It is.
There's no way it's a walleye.
Especially suspended. That would be so weird.
Muskies just stay there too.
Could be a muskie.
Is there muskie in here?
Yes, there are.
Oh.
Huge muskie.
Catfish?
There's catfish for sure.
Catfish will stay
That's-
there
Giant cats.
too. Is that thing just staying put?
Dude,
Yeah.
it's like a... This might be a 10-pound fish.
I've never
Yeah.
caught a cat through the ice. That would be exciting.
A suspended cat 10 feet down in 24 feet of water with panfish.
Yeah.
That fish makes the least amount of sense, probably. It could be a dogfish.
You guys
like
have-
a weird dogfish.
I'm like on the edge right now, and you guys are just like pushing me.
So,
No, we're just,
Oh my god.
I love it.
you just pay attention to your thing. Whatever it is, it's not. It's a weird fight. It's one of
Yeah.
the weirdest fights I've ever seen.
Oh, he's got to
getting
be close.
That's a pike. There's no way it's not a pike. It's got dark. Because we would be seeing it if it wasn't. You're gonna see a big
It's a freaking mermaid.
pike over it.
Oh, I hope
what if
it's
it's
a sexy mermaid.
What if
over
it's a
there.
crab?
It's a muskrat.
What if it's a guys,
That'd
what
be
if it's a
pretty
crab?
cool.
It's a snapping turtle.
Get to steal out of him.
Snapping turtle.
I'll take him home and eat him if it
Kitty
is.
filler.
It's stressful, man.
It is, isn't it? That's why we're trying to take your
Well, we just want to see the
semi
fish
take
for
your
sure.
mind off it.
That'd be a
Relax.
win.
Oh, yeah. As long as I can see
We
the
see
fish.
the fish, that'd be great.
Patty stopper handling it.
Oh, yeah. Like a champ, man. And I've already caught 3 salmon on this
If
same
this fish
rod.
is
And,
directly down, I don't
Get
see
some
it.
of this or no?
Is there sturgeon in there?
that'd be crazy, man.
No, there's no sturgeon. Oh, no, there's no sturgeon.
He's got to be right up under us, guys.
Rock bass.
It's a heavy rod.
Dude, he's directly under you.
He's got to be.
I haven't seen him.
It's
Just
a
a second ago, he was directly under us.
It's a
and I didn't
warmouth.
see it for- There it is. Right there. There it is. Pike.
Pike. Yep.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
He's a snake.
Oh, that's a good pike
Yeah,
for
it
this little 4-pound test,
Yeah,
man.
it is.
Dang. Yeah, baby. Woo! That's probably the biggest I've caught on 4-pound, man.
Look at how skinny he is. Because he's eating stupid stuff like
That's
this.
true.
instead of the-
That is true.
He thinks he's a crappie.
He's a pretty fish, man.
Oh, dude, it's sweet with the sun behind it.
Ooh. Bluegill. Pretty good size one, though. I'm gonna keep that. That's a big one. Ooh, that's a big fish. That's down at the bottom too. Oh, that's a nice gill. That's probably a 9. Ooh, there we go. Hey, I will take that. Yeah. Dang, that's a big gill. Oh, what have I got? Oh, yeah. 8 or something tops. So because it's leaking, so, ooh. I just got like a 10-inch gill, Robin. Dang, man. Look at the size of these. These are huge. Oh yeah, it went right down the hole. Ooh, I got him that time. Oh, dude, that's a big one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you think it's
Oh, that's, I don't think, no, it's probably a 13 or 12. But it's my biggest of the day for sure. Look at that, he's been bit. There's something about that stink sauce. Ooh. Oh yeah. Nice gill. Hey. Another big one, guys. Ooh, that's a good fish. That's a solid fish. Oh. Oh no. Ooh. Yeah, that's a big gill. Oh man. Oh. I don't know what I did. I think I got a pike again. Oh yeah, this is not a panfish. do I gotta be like this?
Get some of the sharp edges on.
These fish are ridiculous.
Finding some fish. Look at the pile right there. There's a pile.
Oh yeah.
That's a bass.
Oh, that's a big bass.
That's a big bass. This could be a 4-pounder. Yep, that's a big bass. That's got wing. I don't know how fat it is, but that's a long fish.
Yeah, I thought it was a pike when I seen it through the hole. That's big bass. Yeah.
Sun's going down. Bucket mouth on there.
My buddy Luke's gonna say yee yee. That's what he does for all the bass. Oh my gosh, dude. Bass usually ain't this strong through the ice because their
it's not a
metabolism.
fish though. This is a trophy bass maybe.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Somewhere under here.
Yep.
There he was.
There's a dagger of a piece of ice right there.
Oh
I know.
Look at the gut.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's a 4-pound fish. Even if he's 18 inches, he's 4 pounds.
You can see him get through the ice.
That might be a 5-pound
Good.
bass, dude.
Oh my god.
Because of the belly. I bet you.
Oh my god. Get him, get him, get him. Yeah, boy. What a pretty toad, man. Good lord.
17-inch bass.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good 3 pounds. Look at that, barely, man. But that, you know what? Look at that. That hook was not coming out.
Turn this way. Let me get the sunset in the background.
Ooh. Oh, that's a hog. Get off the transducer. Look at that one, dude. Yeah, he's got a hump. Wow, I'm getting a picture of that one. Oh, come on, you charged it, sucker. Oh, what are you? Oh, I got it. It's a crappie. Sweet. Oh, god dang. This one pounded it. That's a good fish. Oh, crappie, crappie. Oh, that's probably a 12. Down there. Here he comes. Oh, and I got him. Yeah, I got him. Oh, god dang. Man, I love when there's a single mark on there and you can pull it. Oh, yeah, baby. That's a fatty. Hey, everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying today's special. Like I said, I'm out here with the gang. This right here is Eric Zerlot.
Going.
What's the name of your channel, buddy?
Michigan Caught Wild.
Michigan Caught Wild. You guys have heard me talk about his channel the past couple times on my live. Check him out. That's Michigan Caught Wild. Hit that subscribe button. He's traveling around the state just like I am. He's getting out camping more, though. It's pretty awesome, and he's getting me addicted to it, too. So, yeah, I'm out filming with him today, though. He's got some killer footage. You're going to want to hop over there, too, and see what he got on camera, because he's got stuff of me catching fish that I obviously can't.
So we're going to get him on camera today, for sure.
Oh, yeah, he did a good job. So, yeah, check out his channel, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think. Want to get yourself some fine LT Outdoors apparel, like this camouflage hat, or maybe this ice fishing shirt? You can check out my stuff. Go to ltoutdoors15@yahoo.com. Email me. I will send you pictures of whatever you want to look at. I've got nice little rattle cap, bottle cap jigs, tip-up harnesses that I use for all my pike and walleye and perch. I got decals. I got shirts. Other than my ice fishing shirt, this is my all outdoors shirt that you can also get. Shirts are $25. You can get hoodies also made for $35. And you can get your hats for $10. Hit me up. Again, it's ltoutdoors15@yahoo.com. LT Outdoors has been brought to you by RBM Jigs and Lake Effect Lure Co. Everything for the serious ice fisherman. Sportsman's Connection. Find the right hole. Crooked Bend. All your food plot needs and great seasoning. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan.
Son of a biscuit eater!